Hey there, quick review on this Rhino USA adjustable drop hitch. Now, the problem with driving around a brand new truck and having a 15-year-old drop hitch that looks like a giant block of rust, it just doesn't go together. So this hitch, 10 out of 10, fit and finish. Looks absolutely fantastic with this brushed aluminum finish. Not only does it look great, the function of the drop hitch is also excellent as well. I will also add, I own just about everything Rhino USA makes. I've never been disappointed with a single product from them. This hitch is no exception. Fit and finish is excellent on it, as well as the functionality. You've got 6 inches of adjustment here, and the hitch is a flip hitch, so you can flip to have a 2-inch ball or a 2 5/16 ball. This is going to come with 2 locking hitch pins. The end's going to pop open here. It's going to keep any grime and debris out of that. Give your key a turn, and then that's going to open up. This is key because it will make it so that nobody can come up, pop a cotter pin, and steal your hitch, because this hitch looks good enough that it's going to catch some eyes, and we don't want that. So popping the hitch pin through there again, just put it through there, give the key a twist, pop it out, close that latch right there, and you're good to go. Adjusting the hitch, piece of cake. We've got a full range of adjustment here. You can see the tight tolerances that it's machined with. Simply drop it in place, and then you can insert your hitch pin wherever you want it. You want to change balls, just give it a flip over. And again, you can drop it through from top or bottom. Find the hole that you like. Lock it in, and you're ready to go. With this hitch, I do like it shows you on the ball itself what your weight rating is. So here you've got a 12,000 pound 500 trailer rating right here. And then on your 2-inch ball, it's an 8,000 pound rating. Very important that you have the appropriate hitch considering what you're pulling. This hitch is going to be fine for most medium down to light duty trailers. If you're pulling around a giant skid loader, this hitch isn't going to be enough to handle that. But pretty much any mid-sized trailer, mid-sized dump trailer, and smaller, you're going to be fine with this hitch. But overall, just a fantastic fit and finish on this. I would highly recommend it. Just a great overall product.